Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class we are going to begin a new chapter in mathematics. Observe the board. There I have not written the name of the chapter. The reason is I know that you are able to tell the name of the chapter after my explanation. Just listen to me carefully. Dear students, we are very familiar with the numbers and its different types. Here I am going to write the list of the numbers. Observe the difference between these lists. Look here. The first one, it is like this: 2, 7, 5, 3, 10, 6 and 11. This is one list of numbers. Next, I'll write another one: 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. Yes, this is second list of numbers. Could you tell what difference do you find in these two? Yes, certainly you are right. The first one, in the first list of numbers, the numbers are not in any particular order, right? Whereas second list, the numbers are in the order. What is that order? It is in ascending order, nothing but increasing order. Now I am going to take again the list of numbers in which the numbers are written in the increasing order. Observe this carefully. Here this is 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. Again observe here. Here 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. Let me write the third one. This is 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on. Let me write one more. It is 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 15, 1 by 20 and so on. Here I have written the list of numbers in which the numbers are in the order. You can come to know that in first two cases the numbers are written in increasing order, and in second one the numbers are next to the numbers are written in the decreasing order. Anyhow, here we have followed the order. Dear students, again you observe each list and could you tell on what basis the numbers are written? Yes, you can tell one by one. The first one you can come to know that first we have written 10, then we have added 2 successively, right? Here 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16. Whereas in this case, here we have written, yes, you are right, squares of the numbers. See that 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. In this case, third one, yes, again your guessing is right. We have written 1, then we have divided by that number 3 successively. See that on dividing 1 by 3 you will get 1 by 3. Divide 1 by 3 by 3 you will get 1 by 9. Divide 1 by 9 by 3 you will get 1 by 27. And observe it. In this case, what is it? We have written the number 1 by 5. Then we have added 5 to the denominator successively. See that 1 by 5, denominator 5, 5 plus 5, 10. For this denominator, plus 5, 15. For 1 by 15 in the denominator, for 15 we have added 5. It is 20. Right? That means by observing all these orderly arranged numbers, you can come to know that even we have followed a rule as well, right? I have already told those rules. In the first one, write 10, add 2 successively. Second one, write the squares of the numbers from 1 successively. Then in third one, write 1, divide by 3 successively. In fourth one, write 1 by 5, add 5 to the denominator successively. Is it not? Anyhow, so these are the numbers in which orders are followed as well as rule. If it is so, that is the list of numbers in which the numbers are written according to the order as well as rule, it is called progression. Got it? Hence we can define the progression as an orderly arrangement of numbers according to the given rule is called progression. Progression is also known as sequence. Here I'll write progression. You can also write the definition with me. Here I'll write an orderly arrangement of numbers. Orderly arrangement of numbers according to the given rule. According to the given rule is called a progression. Just I told you, it is also called sequence. And these are some of the examples for progression. Listen, in all these progressions, as the numbers are written with different rules, hence can we guess there are some different types of progressions? Certainly. Dear students, observe here. First one, the first example, it is 10, 12, 14 and 16. In all these, the numbers which are given in this progression, you can come to know that take any two consecutive terms and find out the difference. What do you say? 12 minus 10, it is 2. 14 minus 12, 2. 16 minus 14, this is also 2. In any progression, if the difference between a term and its preceding term is constant, this is called arithmetic progression. This is first type. What it is? Arithmetic progression and is abbreviated as AP. Similarly, I'll take one more example. Observe it. Here I'll take 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 and so on. Here find out the ratio of a term and its preceding term. A term is 1 by 3 and preceding term is 1. That ratio can be written as 1 by 3. Next, 1 by 9 whole divided by 1 by 3, that's equal to 1 by 9 into, it is 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 27, divide this by its previous term 1 by 9, which is equal to 1 by 27 into 9 by 1, which is equal to 1 by 3. Right? Look here. In this progression, the ratio of a term and its preceding term is constant. If it is so, that is called geometric progression and is denoted as GP. Clear? Now let me take one more example. Observe that. It is 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 15 and so on. Look here. Here you take the reciprocal of the term and find out the difference between a term and its preceding term. See, the reciprocals of all these numbers are, it is 5, 10, 15 and so on. Then find out the difference. It is 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10, that is also 5. Next, if it is 1 by 20, here we can write 20. 20 minus 15, that is also 5. We can come to know that it is the progression in which the reciprocals of the terms are the terms of arithmetic progression. Such progression is known as harmonic progression and is denoted as HP. Clear? Or else you can also write like this: the progression in which the difference between the reciprocal of a term and its preceding term is same. So these are the three different types of progressions. What are these? One is AP, second one is GP, third one is HP. AP means arithmetic progression. Its definition: the difference between the progression in which the difference between a term and its preceding term is constant. Look here 12 minus 10 is 2, 14 minus 12 is 2, 16 minus 14 is 2. The difference between a term and its preceding term is same, constant, same number you will get. That is called arithmetic progression. Once I repeat, the progression in which the difference between a term and its preceding term is constant is called arithmetic progression. Geometric progression: the progression in which the ratio of a term and its preceding term is constant is called geometric progression. Here the constant difference, here the constant ratio or the common ratio. Whereas HP, it is the progression in which the difference between the reciprocal of a term and its preceding term is constant. Clear? Yes, that is harmonic progression. Okay, now let me write the definitions of all the three. Dear students, here I have written the types of progression with their definition and example. And to make you to understand, just I have extended this. Means how we get the common difference in case of AP and the common ratio in case of GP, and also reciprocal of the reciprocals of the terms difference is same. That is in case of HP. Got it? Yes. Actually, in this chapter, we are going to focus on only one type of progression, that is arithmetic progression. Therefore, then, what is the name of the chapter? Yes, you are right. It is arithmetic progression. Dear students, let us get the detailed information about this concept, arithmetic progression. Anyhow, now you copy from here to there. Dear students, here I have taken two simple situations which we come across in our day-to-day life. One is the salary of a person in consecutive years. Assume that a person has joined to a company by fixing his initial salary as rupees 25,000. And there will be an agreement that for after every year his salary must be enhanced by 2,000 rupees. Then what will be his salary in the next year? Yes, it will be 27,000. In the third year it is 29,000. Next year it will be 31,000. Like that it goes on increasing. Next 33,000. Now just tell that whether this situation is AP, GP or HP. Yes, you are right. It is AP. How do you say that? The reason is, look here, the difference between any two consecutive years salary, it is same. That is 2,000. Here also 2,000. 2,000. Right? And you can also notice that in this list of numbers, you can come to know that one number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number. That means, what is that fixed number? Fixed year increment, it is 2,000. So here, when you add 2,000 to 25,000, you will get 27,000. And add 2,000 to 27,000, you will get 29,000. Right? Hence, based on this, we can also define AP in another way. And before that, again, you just go for taking this example as well. Observe this. Here we have taken year calendar of a particular year, and in that the month May has been taken. You all know that in the month of May there will be 31 days, and these 31 days are distributed to different days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and dates are written like this. Look here, when you go for taking Sunday, the first day is Sunday. Again on 8th it is Sunday. Again 15th on Sunday. On 22nd again it is Sunday. Look here, Sunday, it is being repeated after how many days? Yes, after every 7 days. That means, can we look here? It means when you add 7 to 1 you will get 8. 7 to 8 you will get 15. 7 to 15 you will get 22. 7 to 22 you will get 29. Similarly, here also when you take Wednesday, look here, 4, add 7 to 8, 11, 7 to 8, 18, 7 to 8, 25. Followed? So, all these are in AP, and in these AP also we can come to know that the number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number. Is it not? Hence, we can define AP in another way as the progression in which, or a list of numbers in which the number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number, is called arithmetic progression. And whatever the fixed number we have used here, that is 7, this is called common difference. Please do remember, common difference. And here the fixed number is 2000. Here 2000 is called common difference. Yes, here I'll write the definition of arithmetic progression again. Arithmetic progression. You may also write with me after copying this. Arithmetic progression. In bracket I'll write its abbreviated form. As we are going to focus completely on arithmetic progression, I'm going to write the definition again. It is the progression in which the number obtained by adding a fixed number to its previous number or preceding number. Successive number means forward number, and preceding number means backward number, previous number. Its previous number is called arithmetic progression. Clear? Again I'll write the definition of arithmetic progression what we have written earlier. That is the progression in which the difference between a term and its preceding term is constant or is same, is constant, is called arithmetic progression. Whatever the fixed number is there, now the progression in which the number obtained by adding a fixed number, or else the constant what we get after finding the difference, that is called common difference. Understood? Here I'll write common difference, and its abbreviated form is just CD, and the symbolic form is small d. Here I'll write the fixed number or constant in the AP is called is called common difference. Common difference. In bracket I'll write its symbol. It is small d. Now I am going to take again an example for AP. Observe it. Very simple example. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. You may tell that these are the even numbers. No doubt. But the difference between a term and its preceding term is same. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Here the numbers which are in the list of which are in the progression list, and these are called terms of AP. What are these? Terms of AP. The numbers which form AP are called terms of AP. Here I'll write the numbers or the group of numbers. The numbers which make an AP are called terms of AP. Then the terms of AP, they are to be denoted with particular symbols like this. Here I'll write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Here 2 is called the first term and the first term is denoted as A and or A1. Next 4 is called second term and is denoted as A2. Then 6 is called, it is third term, it is A3. 8 is fourth term. 10th is fifth term and so on. At last there will be a term. The last term is to be written as AN or nth term. Followed. First term is A1, second term is A2, third term is A3, last term is nth term. In this progression there may be up to 100. Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. So this is 100 is called, of course it is a 50th term, and this in that progression if there is last term it is to be denoted as AN. Clear up? Yes. And we all know that the common difference. Yes. Observe. So these are the terms of AP. If these are the terms of AP, then how do you write the common difference? Yes, we know that common difference is the difference between a term and its previous term. If you take A2, then you should take minus A1. Next A3 minus A2. Similar A4 minus A3. The difference will always be same. Here I will write the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, or it may be equal to A3 minus A2, or it may be equal to A4 minus A3, or it is equal to, if it is AN, what is its previous term? Yes, you are right, AN minus 1. Hope that you have understood. Okay, now you just copy that. Here I am going to take some of the examples for again AP. The first one is, it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Could you tell how many terms are there in this AP? Yes, there are uncountable number of terms. See that, count it. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, but so many are there. There is no end at all. And even I will go for taking one more. It is 3, 10, 17, 24. In this AP also there are uncountable number of terms. Like this, an AP having uncountable number of terms in it is called infinite AP. So there are two types of APs, arithmetic progressions. In that, one is infinite AP, infinite arithmetic progression. Similar, later I'll write the definition, just observe. Second one, here again I'll take very simple one, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Last term is 20. Could you tell how many terms are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, next one, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. There are 10 terms, countable number of terms, is it not? Similarly, if I take again the same type, 3, it is 10 and so on, 31. How many terms are there? Here you can say there are 5 terms. So, and again I'll go for one more. It is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Here also we can come to know that there are countable number of terms in the AP. 8 terms are there. The AP in which countable number of terms are there, we call it as finite AP. So these are the two types of APs. One is infinite and second one is finite. And please go for writing with me. First write types of APs. In that first one, infinite AP, and write the definition. A progression or arithmetic progression. And arithmetic progression having uncountable number of terms in it. Uncountable number of terms is called an infinite AP. And take these examples. Then after that, finite AP. An AP consisting of countable number of terms. An AP having countable number of terms. Countable number of terms is called finite AP. And take these examples. Just copy this. Dear students, hope that you have written up to here and observe. Here I'll write some terms with 1, the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Assume that the last term it is n. Last term is n. Next, if it start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, what will be the last term? It is n minus 1. Is it not? Hope that you are understanding where n is natural number. Look here, if you take 1, here 1, take 2, 2, take 3, 3. When you substitute here 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 2, like that it continues. Now even I will go for taking like this, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. What will be the last term? How do you go for writing? See that these are all even numbers, no doubt, and there are also multiples of 2, right? 2 can be written as 2 into 1, 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and so on. Last term, see here 2 is common. If it is 1, 2, 3, last term will be n. If 1, 2, 3 are there, last term n. Hence, if it is even, nth term of even numbers will be, it is 2n. Followed? And observe here, one more. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. See, these are all odd numbers. Look here. See, this odd number 1 is obtained by subtracting 1 from 2. Odd number 3 is obtained by subtracting 1 from 4. 5 is obtained by subtracting 1 from 6. Then nth term is obtained by subtracting 1 from nth term, that is 2n. Clear? It is for odd number. Nth term of odd numbers is 2n minus 1. Nth term of even number is 2n. Nth term of whole numbers is n minus 1. Nth term of natural numbers is, it is n. Dear students, just we have come to know nth terms of some of the list of numbers, and all, no doubt all these are in AP only. But in general, what is the nth term of AP? Now let us go for finding the nth term of AP. Here I will write the heading to find nth term of AP. Here let us go for assuming A1, A2, B1, B2, sorry, A1, A2, A3, A3, A4 and so on, AN, B in AP. Followed? And let us assume A is the first term, and D is the common difference. As it is an AP, then we know that in AP first term will be there, and even it will be having common difference as well. Here I will write common difference. Then dear students, if it is so, how do you write the first term A1? Here I have taken A is the first term. A1 is A. Hope that you have understood. Second term A2. According to the definition of AP, second term is obtained by adding common difference to the first term. Hence we can write first term is A, common difference is D. Next, A3. Third term is obtained by adding common difference to the second term. Second term is A plus D, and we have to add common difference to it. Then what is D plus D? It will be 2D. Followed? If it is fourth term, then we can write, we have to add common difference to the third term. The third term is A plus 2D. For this, add common difference D. What is 2D plus D? This will be 3D. But what we are going to find out? We are going to find out nth term. Nth term can be written as AN. This is equal to, how to write nth term? I am going to rewrite these terms like this. Here, first term is A. Then, what is the common difference? Here, no common difference. We can take that as 0. Second term is A plus D is there. We can write it as 1D. And this is 0 into D. And this is A plus 2D. And this is A plus 3D as it is. Now, AN is equal to, here, look here, A, it is common A plus, whereas, observe, here D is common, whereas, these numbers start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the nth term when it starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Last term, it is n minus 1. Hence we can write nth term of an AP as A plus of n minus 1 into D. Clear? Here. So this is the formula used to find out nth term of AP. Once I repeat. N is equal to A plus of n minus 1 into D, where An is nth term, also called last term, and is denoted by the small l as well. Similarly, here A is first term, D is common difference, and n is number of terms. Please do remember. Here I will write them, where N is nth term, also called last term, denoted as L. A is first term and D is common difference. Then here N is the number of terms. Hope that you have understood. Look here. Here the first term A1 can be written as A. Second term A2 can be written as A plus D. Third term A3 can be written as A plus 2D. Fourth term, see, just common difference is less by 1. If it is fourth term, A plus 3D. If it is 10th term, A plus 9D. If it is 20th term, A plus 19D. If it is nth term, we can write it is A plus of N minus 1 into D. Followed, and this is called the general form or standard form of AP. Here I write general form or standard form of AP. Standard form of AP. Once you observe this, here A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. A plus of N minus 1 into D is called the general form of an AP. Then, dear students, if it is so, how do you write 21st term? It can be written as A21, can be expressed in terms of A and D as A plus 20D. If it is 100th term, it is A100 is equal to A plus 99D. It's very important to write A100 correctly like this. A100, not in this way. This is wrong. Then similar, if it is 39th term, how do you go for writing? A39 is equal to A plus 38D. Hope that you have understood. Now, just observe it. Here I am writing the table 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on up to 30. Dear students, is it in AP? Certainly. Why it is in AP? The reason is it has common difference. What is that common difference? It is 3. See that? 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 12 minus 9, 3. 15 minus 12, again it is 3. It has common difference, therefore it is in AP. If it is so, what is the first term? First term is 3. Common difference, just we have found out, it is 3. How many terms are there in this AP? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If you go on counting that, you will get 10. There are, because 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, like that. 3 tens are 30. Hence, the n will be 10. Then what does 30 indicate? 30 it is last term, nth term, n equal to 30. Hope that you have understood. Yes. Now, you are going to copy from here to here. Copy that clearly. First here nth term of some list of numbers which are in AP and nth term of or the general term of AP has been found out. This is whatever we have written in the box must be learned. N equal to A plus of N minus 1 into D. And after that, go for writing the general form or standard form of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. A plus of N minus 1 into D. Copy that. Dear students, just go for copying this. Worked examples in that first one is like this. For the following APs, write the first term, that is A, and the common difference is D. In that first one is, it is, here I'll write, just keep observing, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 and so on. It is in AP. In this, we have to write first term and common difference. The first term, which is the first term? It is 4. 4 is the first term. Common difference. Common difference, we know that it is the difference between a term and its preceding term. It may be 7 minus 4. It may be 10 minus 7. It may be 13 minus 10. It may be 16 minus 13. All are same only. Here I write 7 minus second term is, so previous term is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So therefore A is 4 and D is 3. First and second. Sorry, common difference. Now I'll take textbook problem. It is important one. Just keep observing and go on writing with me also. It is 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 and so on. Here also we have to write the first term and common difference. Let's start writing it. Which is the first term? Just by observing only you can tell that. This is 3 by 2. This is first term. And what is the common difference? Common difference is a term and its preceding term. A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. A2 is 1 by 2 minus A1. A1 is, it is 3 by 2. This is equal to, what is the LCM? The denominator terms are same. Hence write that as it is. Numerator term 1 minus 3. It is possible if and only if denominator terms are same. It's equal to, what is 1 minus 3? It is minus 2 by 2. What is minus 2 by 2? It is minus 1. Therefore, D is minus 1. First term is 3 by 2. Common difference is minus 1. Let me go for taking third one from the textbook. It has been given like this. This is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. What is the first term here? Yes, A is 3. Common difference, D is A2, 1 minus A1, 3. 1 minus 3. This is minus 2. Next one, let's move on to fourth one. Fourth one, it has been given like this. This is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Here the first term. What is the first term? This is minus 5. Common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 minus A1. It is minus 5. It is equal to minus 1 as it is. This is minus into minus plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5. This is 4. Therefore, D is 4. Let me take fifth one. This is also very simple one. It is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. Here you can write first term and common difference. First term is 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3. Common difference here I write. D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? It is 5 by 3 minus A1. This is 1 by 3. It can be written as 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, like this also. LCM is 3. Denominator terms are same. Write the numerator terms as it is, 5 and minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 3. So D is 4 by 2. Followed? Yes. One more is there. It is sixth one like this. 0.6. Second term 1.7. Third term 2.8 and fourth term is 3.9. Now here let us go for writing the first term. What is the first term? This is 0.6. Common difference, second term minus first term, 1.7 minus 0.6. What is the difference? Very simple to find out. 1.7, 0.6. 7 minus 6, 1. It is 1 minus 0 is 1. 1.1. Common difference is 1.1. Yes, go for copying. Dear students, go through the second question. Even you may copy this also. It is, which of the following list of numbers form an AP? And sub question is given. It is, if they form an AP, write the next two terms. Observe it. The first one is like this. 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Here we can see, here they are given particularly 4 terms. It is first term, this is second term, 16 is third term, 22 is fourth term. You have to check whether these are in AP. How do you go for checking an AP? If it forms an AP, it must have the common difference. Yes, now let us go for finding the difference. First, hence I'll go for verification to answer this. Here, D is equal to, that is, I cannot write the common difference directly because we have to check whether it has. Hence, I'll write A2 minus A1. What is A2? 10. A1, 4. 10 minus 4, this is 6. Then take A3 minus A2. A3, 16. A2, 10. 16 minus 10, this is also 6. So 3 terms are enough to decide whether it forms an AP. Observe here, the difference of first 2 terms, 6. Next 2 terms, that is also 6. The given list of numbers has common difference, 6. Therefore, it forms an AP. Here I'll write, the given list of numbers has the common difference 6. Therefore it forms an AP. So we have answered for first question. But what is the next question? If it forms an AP, then we have to write the next 2 terms. The next 2 terms, here they are given 4 terms. We have to find out the 5th term as well as 6th term. 5th term, we know that in general, in an AP, a term is obtained by adding common difference to its previous term. Here, 5th term should be found out. 4th term is 22. Common difference. What is the common difference? This is 6. 22 plus 6, 28. Then A6 I want. 5th term, 28. Common difference, 6. This will be 34. Therefore, the next 2 terms are. What are those? One is 28 and another one is 34. Hope that you have understood. Even you might have written with me also. Now, let's move on to the second one. It has been given like this. Please go on writing with me. This is 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 and so on. Here also they are given 4 terms. First, check that whether it forms an AP. Hence, write verification. So you have to find out the difference. The differences are, one is A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 1. Minus A1 is 1. Minus 1, minus 2. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 A3 is minus 3. Then this minus, it's very important. Next, A2. What is A2? Minus 1. So it should be written in bracket. This is equal to minus 3 as it is. Here minus into minus plus 1. 3 plus 1. It is 4. Does it form an AP? Not at all. The reason is here A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 is minus 2. A3 minus A2 is 4. Minus 2 will never be equal to 4. Therefore, the given list of numbers will not form an AP. Sorry, just observe here. Here minus 3. Actually, we had not considered. Alright, minus 3. Then this is minus into minus plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Now, A3 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. We can write the given list of numbers has the common difference minus 2. Therefore it forms an AP. If it forms an AP, then we have to write the next two terms. Here I write. How many terms are given? Yes, 4 terms are given. We want 5th term and 6th term. What is 5th term? So, to find out 5th term, 4th term minus 4 plus common difference. Common difference is minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2, it is minus 7. Next, 6th term, 5th term plus common difference minus 2. This is equal to minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. Therefore, the next two terms are, what are these? Minus 7 and minus 9. Yes, please go for copying this. Now it is third one. Please write with me. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2. Again minus 2 and so on. We have to check whether it forms an AP. Right. Verification. Hope that you have written. Now, find out the difference. First, A2 minus A1. A2 is 2 minus A1 is minus 2. Here 2 minus into minus plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Next, A3 minus A2. This is equal to A3 is minus 2 minus of A2 is 2. It is equal to minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Whether 4 equal to minus 4? Never. We can write A2 minus A1 which is equal to 4 but not equal to minus 4. That is A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Then is it necessary to find out remaining two terms? Not necessary, because first of all it is not an AP. Similarly, I will take fourth one. Fourth one is like this. It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 3 and so on. We have to check whether it forms an AP. Right, verification. Hope that you have written. Then find out A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0. A3 minus A2, it is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. But, observe, in this case, as the every 3 terms are same, then this much is not enough. And so I go for taking A4 minus A3. What is A4? A4 is, it is 2 minus A3 is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Followed? Here, if this condition holds good for all the three, for all the terms, then only it forms an AP. Followed? If you go for taking the same terms, obviously it forms. But here, three same terms are there many times. That's why we have to find out this also. Here I will write A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, but not equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. The given list of numbers does not form an AP. Yes. Hope that you might have written. Next, I'll take one more. It is fifth one. Very simple. 2, 4, 8, 16. Does it form an AP? Check it out. Right. Verification. That. Find out. First A2 minus A1. A2 is 4 minus A1 is 2. 4 minus 2. It is 2. Next. A3 minus A2. What is A? A3. It is 8. A2. This is 4. 8 minus 4. It is 4. Whether 2 equal to 4? No. As 2 is not equal to 4, A2 minus A1 is also not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. If it is so, is it necessary to find out the remaining terms? Not at all. Yes, please go for copying this. Yes. Let us take one more. Start writing with me. It is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2. Check that whether it forms an AP. Right. Verification. Then find out the differences. First, A2 minus A1. What is A2? It is 5 by 2 minus A1. This is 2. Now you can go for simplifying by taking LCM. Very simple. LCM of the denominator. Here is 2. Here is 1. It will be 2. Then multiply LCM with the first term. 2 get cancelled. 5 will remain. Multiply LCM 2 with the second term. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 by 2. Go for next term. It is A3 minus A2. What is A3? This is 3 minus A2. This is 5 by 2, which is equal to. Again, here also you have to take LCM. The LCM is 2. Multiply LCM with the first term. 2 3s are 6. Multiply LCM with the second term. 2 get cancelled. 5 will remain. 6 minus 5, 1, 1 by 2. Observe, A2 minus A1 is 1 by 2. A3 minus A2 is also 1 by 2. Then are they equal? Certain. It is A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, we can write, observe, here 1 by 2 is the common difference. Alright, the given list of numbers has the common difference. What is the common difference? 1 by 2. Therefore, it forms an AP. If it forms an AP, we have to find out next two terms. And even in the examination point of view, they may ask you to find out three more terms, four more terms like this. Here I'll write the next two terms. How many terms are given? 4 terms. How do you get the fifth term? It is obtained by adding the common difference to its previous term. That is fourth term. Which is the fourth term? It is 7 by 2, which is equal to LCM is 2. You can write the numerator as it is. It will be 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. Similarly, sixth term. Sixth term is obtained by adding common difference to fifth term. Fifth term is 4. It is equal to 2 is the LCM. It will be 2 4s are 8. Here 1. 9 by 2. Therefore, the next two terms are one is 4 and another one is 9 by 2. If you want to find out the next term, how do you go for writing? Yes, you are right. It is 9 by 2 plus the common difference 1 by 2. It will be 10 by 2. This will be 5. What about the next term? How do you go for finding? Yes, very good. It is 5 plus 1 by 2 can be written as this is 2, 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. Followed? Yes, go for writing. Dear students, today only we have begun the chapter Arithmetic Progression, and in the beginning of this chapter I have given the basic information about it. Don't neglect it, practice it well. And what all the concepts we have taught today, you have to practice them today itself without keeping anything pending. Yes, with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.